Hello, students. Welcome to Lecture Card and also welcome to the new video lecture series for the subject for the open book paper CSR and Social Governance. This particular paper, CSR and Social Governance, is the elective paper 4.1 for all the CS professional students. Before moving ahead, let me congratulate all the students who have recently cleared their CS executive and CS professional level. I am overwhelmed with your performance and all the students who are my students and who have taken CSR and social governance classes and reference guide and all the other reference guide what I make for you guys for the open book papers, and also the students who have cleared their IPR, and the messages what you have sent to me that ma'am, thank you for the beautiful video lectures, thank you for the guidance. I am overwhelmed and I am in the party mood, and hence the new video lecture series. As you all know that I always announce a new batch whenever it is the result date. सो ऑब्वियसली 25 फरवरी कली थी और आज हम नए वीडियो लेक्चर सीरीज के साथ आ चुके हैं विद ऑल द रीसेंट अपडेट्स व्हाट दिस पर्टिकुलर पेपर हैज फॉर यू. Now, if you talk about CSR and social governance as an elective paper, what I have seen or what is my suggestion to my students, CSR and social governance is a paper which basically is a friendly topic because this particular paper we have seen in our CSEET level. We have seen this particular topic and subject in CS executive level, and now in CS professional level. Obviously we are kind of confident because we have seen this particular topic and the relevant provisions about this particular topic in our CSET and CS executive level. If you talk about the division or if you talk about the arrangement what this particular paper has, so basically this paper is divided into two parts. Number one, the first part is for 50 marks and the remaining portion what is given under the heading social governance is for 50 marks. So basically the paper is divided into two parts. 50 marks for corporate social responsibility, wherein we will be having the relevant substantive and procedural aspects of Companies Act 2013, obviously, and all the relevant provisions, notifications, and so forth, which is related to corporate social responsibility. And ma'am, what about social governance part? Social governance basically is, is a part wherein we talk about the ethical practices what a sole proprietorship concern or a partnership concern or any organization should keep in mind while they are doing or carrying out any business activity or any activity for that matter, right? If you talk about the strategy to pass this particular paper and to fetch good marks and to claim exemption in this paper, my strategy, my suggestion is to start from chapter number 8. Now, why chapter number 8, ma'am? Because from chapter number 8, we have, as I have told you, that it is divided into two parts. The subject is divided into two parts. From chapter number 8, we have this part 2 as social governance. So, my suggestion is to first keep in hand the relatively easier part of this entire subject. Moreover, this is an open book paper, elective open book paper. You have chosen this subject because of the fact that you have little bit of confidence in this paper, number one. Second point, because this is an open book paper, you can take the books with you. So no need to mug up, no need to just remember each and every point or aspect of what all is given in the book. So what is the best strategy to clear any open book paper? It is about any open book paper. You should know that how you are supposed to navigate in through your study material. What should be the strategy to have a solid solid command over the concepts is that you should know how to navigate through your study material. If you are done with the navigation part, nobody can stop you from searching the correct answers when it is your exam time. In your exams, you have limited time. 3 hours for writing the paper and 15 minutes का reading time. That is not a sufficient time. इफ आई टॉक फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स पर्सपेक्टिव, इतना समय नहीं होता कि आप पेपर में ढूंढ भी लो, लिख भी लो. यू डोंट हैव दैट मच ऑफ टाइम. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी आई मीन ऑन द टोज व्हेन यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर द आंसर्स. एंड व्हाट इज द की टू इट? आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके मॉड्यूल में, आपके स्टडी मटेरियल में कहाँ क्या दिया हुआ है. सो इवन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द नेम्स ऑफ द चैप्टर, वो हमें पता होने चाहिए कि चैप्टर 1 में क्या दिया है, चैप्टर 2 में क्या दिया है. सो इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट CSR पॉलिसी, इट शुड इमीडिएटली कम टू आवर माइंड. हाँ, CSR पॉलिसी, अदिति मैम की रेफरेंस गाइड निकालो. CSR पॉलिसी में रिलेवेंट पहले तो पेज नंबर तक चले जाओ. लाइक यू नो ऑलरेडी दैट हाउ टू नेविगेट. Even if you don't know, there are many videos, and I will also teach you when we will be discussing the intricate topics of this particular subject. ठीक है? So basically what we have studied, CSR obviously हमारा दोस्त है, हमने CSET में भी पढ़ा है, एग्जीक्यूटिव में भी पढ़ा है, and we also know about it. Most of the students who are in CS professional level, they might be undergoing training. तो आपको आपकी ट्रेनिंग में भी ये पता चला होगा that what is CSR. So हमारी friendliness है इसके साथ. Second important point, it is divided into 2 parts. Number 1, 50 marks के लिए CSR, again substantive and procedural aspects of the CSR policies, Companies Act, notifications, rules, regulations and amendments. ये तो हम इस देखने वाले हैं first part में. What is there in the second part? It is about the social governance aspect, the social stock exchange, and what all contributions have been given by various entities, whether non-corporate or corporate, and it is beautifully divided into various chapters. So again, we will start the classes from chapter number 8. Again, the reason is this is pretty simple, easier to grasp, and not so much of what to say, technicalities are involved in the second part. First part में technicalities are there. अभी तुम guidelines में मन से कुछ नहीं लिख सकते हो, right? You cannot write anything on your own, या तुम अपने words का प्रयोग नहीं कर सकते. You have to be very specific with the use of specific words. Like when you are using any technical word, you have to be confident with the jargons what you are using, correct? But if you talk about the social governance part, little bit of playing with the words is allowed if you talk about the second part of the CSR and social governance. ठीक है? So this is all about the subject and about the strategies to pass the open book paper, and I will see you in the next lecture. From the next lecture we will directly kickstart with the chapter number 8, that is the social governance aspect, and 50 marks बहुत जल्दी हम अपनी पॉकेट में डाल लेंगे. And I want to see you guys soon bringing good marks in this particular paper. Good marks मतलब above exemption, 60 के ऊपर तो लाना ही है हमें, ठीक है? So see you soon, and congratulations to all my students who have recently cleared their CS executive and CS professional levels. We'll see you in the next lecture. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.